Oh, like let's talk about chili. Chili is a big mixed food for kids. Let's go with a really mild chili. Before you include all the ingredients in the pot as you're cooking it, pull out a few beans, pull out a little bit of the sauce, pull out some cooked hamburger, and separate it all out and give it to your child in tiny little portions like that, as well as a mixed portion. Totally fine if they don't take a bite at first. It might take a little while, but at least they can see the different ingredients and they can identify each one on its own. You can do the same thing with tacos, for example. When you have a taco bar at home, make sure that the child has a taco already made with maybe 2 or 3 ingredients. Let's say it's lettuce, cheese, and meat inside the taco shell. Pretty simple taco. But they should also have a little bit of the meat, a little bit of the cheese, and a little bit of the lettuce, and maybe even a little piece of the shell, kind of like a little chip, in addition to the full-fledged taco, so that they can deconstruct it in their mind, identify it, and they may even be brave enough to take a little bite of the cheese and maybe a little bite of the chip and chew it together at the same time. You can show them how to do that. Takes a little while, as I keep saying, but you'll get there. Let's see what else everybody's asking about. Oh, Lauren asks, what is your opinion on tongue and lip tie? Well, I just talked about that for about an hour and a half this morning with a wonderful group of therapists.